I'm going to show you how to make.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.
These are the best brownies in London. On TikTok, just the best brownies, so let's make them. These are brownie pies, by the way. Let's make them. I just melted like some butter and some good quality like chocolate, chucked it in the microwave, getting that all melted, and then I was like prepping all the other ingredients that we need to make a delicious brownie batter. Get all that boring stuff out the way, because now we're gonna stuff it. No, we're gonna fill our tins. Then we're gonna stuff them with some unreal flavors. There is no recipe for this one, guys, because some things are best kept a secret. And some things are best kept just to be posted through your front door, like these can be. Anyway, these are stuffed with like Nutella and cookie dough, Biscoff, Kinder Cream, Cadbury's milk chocolate spread. Anyway, we're topping them all off with some chocolate chips, making them look all pretty. This is them all done out the oven. The kitchen smells incredible. I ate half the Nutella and Kinder pie because I just couldn't help myself. But look at the inside of these. Oh my god!